Good day. We're here to review the Shooter's Arms Guardian. Okay. Nice little gun. Nice looking gun. It's made of polymer frame. Steel slide. Okay. It's about a 3 inches barrel. Okay. It has a Picatinny rail so you can put your flashlights and lasers on. As you've noticed, this thing doesn't have a thumb safety, nor a grip safety, nor a trigger safety because it's in double action only. Okay, it has internal hammer, hidden hammer, but it has a hammer. It's not a striker fired gun like the Glock. Okay, so this one shoots 9mm. So we're gonna test fire this one. We're gonna load Armscore 9mm full metal jacket, 124 grain. Okay, so let's see how it shoots. So we're gonna load 4 rounds. Okay, double check, safety first. Okay, empty, loading, pop. Okay, load. Okay, hold on. Always use protection. Okay. Again, range is hot. Double action. Okay. Check. Add release. Empty chamber. Double check. Wow! That shoots very well, ladies and gentlemen.